Hey there YouTube. So today I thought of doing a short video on how I achieve this light coming through, from the sky over in few of my, in most of my photograph over here, and it's quite simple when you see on how I achieve this, and over here as well. So, so for to start off, what we do is we have a photograph where there's some sort of light coming in, more of a yellow light, but then it's not intensified, something like this photograph. So I want to be showing you on how I process this photo from this to this. So after you have done your basic adjustment, what we do is we open this photo in Adobe Photoshop, and you open anyway. Then we download one of these stock images like this. So you can simply get one of these by just Google searching as Sparks. And for just startup, I'll be uploading few of my collection, and I'll be putting up the link in the description below. So download stock image something like this, and then say this is one of my favorite. Just drag and drop it over here. You will rasterize the layer, turn it into screen, go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Then maybe somewhere around 100 would look good. Then we zoom out of the photo a bit and we place it. So we need to place it in such a way where the light looks natural. See, in this photograph the light is shining on over this area naturally, so we'll have to make sure that whatever the artificial light we are adding does justice to the photograph. So in this case I might place it on somewhere like over here, and yes, let's see how it looks. That's the before, after. And also one more thing which you can do is you can add a hue saturation layer, and you can enable clipping mask. Then you can increase the saturation of this layer a little bit, and you can change the hue a little bit towards the green, which would make this match a little bit better. So you can see the difference before, after. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, and if you think that this was informative, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be trying to upload more consistent videos, like one video per week, giving out my techniques on how I process my photographs. And don't forget to like. Thank you.